Good morning, friends. It's a new day, a fresh start, a quiet reminder that no matter where you are in the world, today is full of possibility. Spring has arrived, the season of growth, the season of light, the season of hope. And Easter? Easter reminds us that we're never too far from a new beginning. Waking up isn't always easy. Some mornings feel harder than others. But choosing to rise, to take the first breath, and step into the day, that's already something brave. Sometimes showing up for the small things is the most powerful act of all. As the world wakes up around you, remember you are allowed to start slow, you are allowed to take your time, you don't have to have everything figured out. Just take it moment by moment, step by step. Spring is the season of quiet progress. Flowers bloom slowly, trees grow silently, and we do too. We learn, we heal, we try again. There may be days when you feel like giving up, when things feel heavy or unclear. That's okay. Those moments are real, but they do not define you. What matters is that you keep going, even if you take breaks, even if you move slowly, even if you move gently, even if you fall and rise again. You are not behind. You are not alone. Life isn't a race, it's a journey, and every day you choose to keep showing up, you're already winning. Easter isn't just about tradition, it's about renewal, a reminder that even after the darkest nights, light returns, that there is strength in second chances, beauty in starting over, and the power in believing again. So today, let this be your reminder. You are growing, even if that doesn't always show. You are becoming, even if you don't always feel it. And you are enough, exactly as you are. Take this morning slowly, or whenever you're seeing this video, breathe deeply, feel the sunshine on your face, hear the sounds of the world coming back to life. Let yourself feel hope, even if it's small. Let yourself believe that there's something good on its way, because it is. You're doing better than you think, you are stronger than you know, and your story is still unfolding with beauty, purpose, and light. Keep going. Now, I want to close with this, guys. I woke up early. I was prepared to make a Easter inspired spring breakfast for my girls. So they felt special. They know that I put the effort in and they understand what it is like when mommy tries her best. And even with doing that, I still messed up. But I did not let that define or even spoil my morning because they wouldn't know that. They didn't know that. It's just that everything is realistic and we're living. Each day we have to make it worth living. No, I did not know how to use these pancake stuff, but guess what? I still made it work. And that's something I want all of us to know. Even when you messed up in life, keep going. Do not dwell on what you have done, but try your best to do something. And that's all I'm going to leave you guys with because I did mess up. But I continued. I was prepared for this video because also I know I wanted to say some real words so at least someone could get the message. I'll see you guys next time.
Vous souhaitez envoyer de l'argent vers l'Afrique du Nord facilement et rapidement, profitez d'une offre spéciale sur votre premier transfert. Envoyez de l'argent à vos proches en toute tranquillité.
The messages look the same no matter what.
You would just give up right away? You wouldn't do this whole thing? I mean, I guess whoever broke into our house is dedicated. All right, you've seen the upstairs. You need to check downstairs. It's kind of crazy. You almost knocked them all down? Never seen lacrosse played, ever. Was 100 questions. She is now at the very last question. So we're gonna mark this one.
I'm probably the only person online who shares every single one of these things. Olivia.
Immediately come down into the basement and grab each of the kids, and we're all down here. So one of the most precious parts to me that I think I'll always remember about being down here was that Kendra said a prayer.
And that was Elise that reminded us to do that first thing, and I was so grateful for her remembering to have us do that.
And before she finished the prayer, Isaac introduced
I don't want to be.
She was carrying them around just a second ago.
I wish she put them in the closet for sure.
Getting the tights, getting the tights. Okay, Lisa, ready for me to do your hair? Well, we're just gonna curl the part that's moving out. We don't have time to curl the whole thing. But then it won't really look nice. It will look beautiful. We're doing the best we can with it, okay? Be careful with the hair. I mean, not holding your...
Guys, we only have 2 minutes. Yes, let's go.
Ah, you just missed it in my spirit.
Looks like the lights were left on in the van. I'm not sure if the car's even going to start.
Ways that go beyond just the physical. Don't get me wrong, the physical counts too. But it has to be more than that. It has to be an emotional security. It has to be a spiritual security. I have to feed your mind and your soul as well as your body. And that's what I do.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know. Maybe it's no doubt I'm in.
Might be a better question for them. But
If you had to guess.
if I had to guess,
Yes.
honesty.
People push back on.
I don't know.
Who knows?
I just feel
Who
like
knows? Who knows?
to waste time
But
with negative comments and all that. At the end of the day, your comments is not changing anything over here. If
what are
anything,
they saying?
we
What
sit
are
around
people
and
saying?
laugh.
What are they saying?
I mean, certain comedians, people have said that the girls have low self-esteem, which is why they can do this, all of that. All of these things have been said, and none of these things matter to any.
It's not for you. No hard feelings. I wish you nothing but success and happiness.